This is the Southside School of Financial Freedom Market Report and Cash Flow Account Update for the week ending June 13th, 2026. The market finished up this week. The Dow Jones Industrial Average increased 0.7% on Friday and was up 0.66% for the week. The S&P 500 increased 0.5% on Friday and was up 0.65% for the week. The Nasdaq increased 0.31% on Friday and was up 0.7% for the week. The market keeping pace was okay, but that doesn't matter to me because no matter what the market does, I get cash flow from Bitcoin. And Bitcoin finally rebounded after falling for 4 straight weeks by finishing the week 5.16% higher. That was pleasing, but still, it didn't matter to me because I generate cash flow from Bitcoin no matter what Bitcoin does. My goal is to generate cash flow or income from Bitcoin every week by selling options on Bitcoin stocks and or ETFs. I created a watch list I use to help me select which options of Bitcoin stocks and or ETFs that I may want to sell. Looking at my watch list from the week, the strongest performer on the list was Mara Holdings Incorporated, ticker symbol MARA, in the second column. It was up 3.45% on Friday and increased 14.29% for the week. Mara Holdings Incorporated is a digital asset technology company that operates Bitcoin mining sites and data centers in the US and Europe. The company secures the blockchain ledger and supports energy transformation by converting clean, stranded, or otherwise underutilized energy into economic value. They provide technology solutions to optimize data center operations like liquid immersion cooling and firmware for Bitcoin miners. The company also recently announced that they were partnering with Starwood Capital Group and Starwood Digital Ventures to convert select power-rich Bitcoin mining sites into next-generation digital infrastructure to power AI. This week, I generated cash flow from selling 9 different option contracts that range from $75.34 to $175.34. I received a total of $1,024.06 for the 9 options contracts. Here are the sales from my account. Warning: option prices change quickly and dramatically. Do not copy my trades. You will not get the same prices that I got for these options. Maybe not even close. With this system, the cash flow money is free and clear. You can take it out of your account and spend it or leave it in to build your cash balance and or invest it. This strategy is guaranteed to produce cash flow immediately and every week that it is applied. However, it does not guarantee the amount of cash flow from week to week, nor the value of your account. The amount varies and the account value varies. For example, this week, the cash flow amount decreased slightly from the prior week. This was last week versus this week. And my total account value increased 4.33%. What's the catch? Knowledge. Specifically, you have to understand option contracts. Once you have a firm understanding on how to use options with Bitcoin-related stocks and ETFs, this system becomes so easy that you will wonder, why isn't everybody doing it? Again, knowledge. They simply lack knowledge. What about you? How much cash flow did you generate this week? If your answer is 0 or you spent more money than you made, then you need help. And I would like to help you and others, but I can't. Why? Because you refuse to listen, you refuse to read, and you refuse to learn about anything that wasn't taught to you in school. And do you know what they don't teach you in school? money, and it's on purpose. You need to learn about money and the financial system and then use that knowledge to your advantage. That means learn how to extract money from the financial system. It does not mean working 2 or 3 jobs, and it does not mean side hustling. It means use money to make money from the financial system. That is what my Bitcoin cash flow system does. So, check back next week to see how much money my money makes. Later.